Welcome to Intellify. What is supply? Supply can be interpreted differently by different people. But because supply is an economic concept, it should be understood using the correct perspective. Supply refers to the number of goods that a producer is willing to offer at a given price over a period of time. Supply of any commodity is governed by the law of supply. But for understanding the law, first we need to go through assumptions of law of supply. Assumptions. The price of factor input is assumed to be constant. There won't be any change in the state of technology. The number of producing firms is also assumed to be constant. Law of supply. All other factors held constant, law of supply states that there exists a positive relationship between price and quantity supplied of a commodity. Putting it in simpler words, the law of supply states that when the price of any commodity rises, then the quantity supplied would also increase, and when the price falls, its quantity supplied also falls. There are various factors that guide the supply of any commodity. Let us throw some light on that also. Price of the good. When the price of any commodity changes, it also affects its quantity supplied. When the price of any commodity increases, then the supplier would be motivated to increase its sale in order to earn more profit and vice versa. Price of factor input. Factor input basically means raw material required to produce any commodity. So when the price of factor input increases, which would mean that cost of production is increasing, which would result in a fall in their profit margin, and hence quantity supplied will also fall and vice versa. State of technology. Advanced and improved technology reduces the cost of the product, which raises the profit margin, which in turn induces the seller to increase the supply, and reverse is in the case of outdated technology. The imposition of excise duty. Excise duty is like a tax on production, which when increased leads to increase in the cost of production and hence reduces the profit margin of the supplier, which would make supplier reduce the supply and hence supply falls, and opposite in case of a reduction of excise duty. The number of producing firms. When the number of producing firms increases in an economy, there will be a greater supply of commodities and vice versa. So by now, all your doubts would have been cleared regarding the topic demand. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and do subscribe our channel for more such videos.